Hello students. At first glance, the rules of English capitalization seem simple. We probably know we should capitalize proper nouns and the first word of every sentence. The capitalization or the use of capital letters has many instances where capital letters can be used, and if we talk about examples, those are endless. In this video, however, an attempt has been made to make it as illustrative as possible so that those who are practicing stenography can make use of it in their skill exams. Now, let us see the instances. Before we go forward, let me mention here that in the evaluation sheet or method of SSC, Staff Selection Commission, use of small letter in the beginning of the sentence is considered as half mistake. So, in other words, there is no error about the use of capital letter in between the text. A copy of the SSC document, Evaluation of Transcripts of Stenography Tests, Nature of Mistakes, is attached at the link given in the description. Now, the first instance, type first letter of the first word in a sentence in capital. Example is on the screen. The first letter of the first word in a sentence needs to be in capital. Next is use first letter capital in all the names, surnames, and proper nouns of persons and titles, prefixes like Mr., Miss, Sir, Madam, Mrs., Doctor, Professor, Lieutenant, etc. I should always be capital if it is alone. Use first letter capital in all the names of animals also. You can see the examples: Mr. Chairman, Sir, Madam Speaker, Dr. Manmohan Singh, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, Rai Bahadur, Lord, Captain, Satish Kumar Chhabra, my pet Tommy, Sachin Tendulkar received Bharat Ratna, etc. Next is use first letter of a quote capital only when the quote is complete and not otherwise. Examples you can see: he said to her, "You betray my trust." So in this case, Y has to be capital since the sentence in the quote is complete. Next is Ram said he was way too busy to join the gym. Here, the sentence in the quote is not complete, so the first letter won't be capital. The next is use first letter as capital in days, months, and holidays, but not seasons. The examples are on the screen, like Tuesday, Saturday, June, August, Christmas, Easter. Next one, use first letter as capital in all titles of books, movies, and other works. Examples are on the screen, like Pride and Prejudice, The Diary of a Young Girl, Badhti Ka Naam Daadi, Sasti Dulhan Mehenga Dulha, The Weeping Woman by Pablo Picasso. Then comes use first letter as capital in names of countries, states, cities, towns, places, street, rivers, lakes, oceans, buildings, mountains, bridges, monuments, schools, teams, nationalities, languages, and proper nouns. The examples are on the screen. India, America, Arunachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Noida, Ajmer, Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Bank Street, Nai Sadak, Parliament Street, Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Atlantic, Pacific, Indian Ocean, Howrah Bridge, Bhupen Hazarika Setu, India Gate, Qutub Minar, Lotus Temple, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Modern School, Delhi Public School, Chennai Super Kings, Kolkata Knight Riders, American, Indian, Australian, English, Hindi, Tamil. Next, use first letter as capital in all the names of the companies, organizations, corporations, bills, acts, ordinances, titles related to the media and the arts, sports, etc. Examples are on the screen, like Tata Steel Limited, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Industrial Finance Corporation of India, Life Insurance Corporation, Border Road Organization, Central Industrial Security Force, Reliance Industries, Bank of Baroda, Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act 2020, Essential Commodities Amendment Act 2020, Securities Law Amendment Ordinance 2014, Scheduled Castes and the Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Amendment Ordinance 2014, Arjuna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Dronacharya Award, Nobel Prize, Kalidas Samman. Next is use first letter as capital in all the posts, designations, positions, names of the ministries, etc. The examples are like Chief Justice of India, Comptroller and Auditor General, the District Judge, the District Magistrate, Metropolitan Magistrate, Joint Secretary, Section Officer, Speaker, Mayor, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Health. Then the next is first letter capital in the names of political parties, commissions, committees, boards, legislative bodies, treaties, etc. And first letter capital of all the words in all citations of the judgments. The examples are on the screen, like Atomic Energy Commission of India, Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices, National Commission for Backward Classes, Public Accounts Committee, Estimates Committee, Public Undertakings Committee, Chandrappa versus State of Karnataka, State of Andhra Pradesh versus M. Madhusudan Rao, Raveen Kumar versus State of Himachal Pradesh. That's all. Thanks, and please share it further in case you feel it can be helpful to someone else.